It's a little further on a Saturday night, and I started off my flight with a rich oak Glenfiddich. And that was very nice. It was more complex than your standard Glenfiddich, but it could have used a little bit more of ABV. It was a little weak tasting. Then after that, I had a Mortlach Rare Old. The Rare Old Mortlach was very nice. It was fruity, but it was tingling down at the center. It was 43% alcohol by volume. Then while I was doing that, I was looking through videos and saw that the Scotch Test Dummies had done Oban Little Bay. And I thought, oh, well, let's pour a dram of that because I happen to still have some left over from last June. And the bottle has been getting better as time has gone on. And mine was just as good as what they had said on the Scotch Test Dummies. And I enjoyed having that dram with them. But now I have something different. This is 12 years old, and it's 46.3% alcohol by volume. It's 70 centiliters, or 700 mils. It is a Highland single malt Scotch whisky, unchill filtered, exactly as it should be, it says on here. And I don't believe it's colored. I don't know. We put everything we are into everything we make. This is Deanston. 12-year-old Deanston. Now what I'm going to do is open this puppy up and grab the Deanston out of here. There's nothing left in the box, but I'm going to come back to the box and read the side of it. Okay, that is the back, and this is the front. 12-year-old, unchill filtered, simple, handcrafted, natural. So I'm guessing there's no color in it too. Nothing added but hard work and determination. Aha, there we go. Very good. Well, first, it has a seal on it. You see, it has that seal on there. And non-chill filtered, 12 years old. Oh, beautiful pop. I like the simple presentation of Deanston. It's not fancy. It's just plain and simple. It's straight down to earth. It's good stuff. I had a Deanston last year that was finished in virgin oak, which was very nice. I don't believe it had an age statement, but it was very nice. Here it says, okay, exactly as it should be, simple, handcrafted, natural. What you have in your hand is the very best that nature, knowledge, and patience can provide. Unchill filtered, it retains all of its natural flavor and character. Take some good glasses, a small jug of cold spring water, and share a sublime moment or three with good friends. When you sip a dram of Deanston, you share a distillation of perfection. And perfect times are few and far between. Product of Scotland, 12 years old, unchill filtered, and so on and so on. I have my water It's not spring water, but it's reverse osmosis purified water that I get in bulk from the grocery store. They have UV and filtration and everything else, and reverse osmosis. And it tastes a damn sight better than tap water, or at least better than the tap water around here, which tastes like chlorine and fluoride and all kinds of other things. Here's the box. What does it say here? We put everything we are into everything we make. The idea could not be simpler. We take the finest local ingredients, rich local barley, canny local knowledge, soft water from the river Tythe or Teeth. At Deanston, the power of the river has been harnessed since 1785. We were green long before it became fashionable. We hurry nothing, we just wait. And when we're tired of that, we wait a wee bit more. What results is a strange thing indeed, something infinitely subtle, something reflective, something grand. We've taken the very best that nature has given us and crafted into something very beautiful. We want every drop to be special, enjoy every single moment. This is bottled bliss. Deanston is unchill filtered to retain natural flavor and deep character. When water is added, a heavenly clouding occurs, and this is exactly as it should be, a gift from the gods. Ian McMillan, master distiller, and 46.3% alcohol by volume. Well, there we go. That's another one for the wall back there. And here we are with the Deanston. Let's ditch those. And let's put these on so I can see what I'm doing. And I can see myself on the screen up ahead. Oh. What is this I'm getting? It's been in the glass a little while. I'm getting some caramel. Is that chives? It smells like chives. It's a Highland single malt. Honey. Definitely honey. Honey, vanilla, bit of caramel. Something else. It's almost a creamy nose, if that makes sense. It's like vanilla ice cream. And there's that honey. Unmistakable honey. It's like a clover honey. Reminds me of high summer. Maybe some heather in there too. Heather, honey, and vanilla. A little bit of a fruity note. It's an apple, maybe. Yeah, definitely more apple than citrus. Pear, not so much. A lot of honey and vanilla. Delightful. Yeah, so far so good. Okay, well, let's taste it. I think it's been in the glass for 7 or 8 minutes. 12 years old. Should I wait another 5? Do you have the patience? I don't know. I don't mind tasting it now. I'll still be tasting it 5 minutes from now. Oh. Wow. Wow. Someone was telling me that coffee is a good way to kill the taste of whiskey, so that, to cleanse the palate, coffee. Water works too, but you need more water than you need coffee. And I've dark chocolate with hazelnuts. That's kind of nice too. So I had some dark chocolate with hazelnuts to cleanse the palate between the last whiskey and this one. And of course, water. Do the water again. Okay. So here we have the second tasting, or the second mouthful of Deanston 12. So far I'm liking this. Honey, vanilla, toffee. Bit of spice. Bit of cinnamon. Bit of salt. This is nice. Do that again. Honey, a bit of apple, bit of pepper, bit of cinnamon. It's a bit of a spicy one. Interesting. White pepper. Yeah, more white pepper than black pepper. Not so much fruity, but honey. The aftertaste is more peppery. At first, it starts off kind of honey and vanilla, and it ends up pepper. It will be interesting to see how this one oxidizes and what it will be like a few months from now. This is good. This is promising. I predict that this is going to get even better. The only thing is, will it stay around long enough for me to find out? Because I remember when I had the Deanston Virgin Oak, it disappeared so fast. It was gone in 2-3 months. Gone, just evaporated. I don't know what happened to it. But now I have the benefit of having several more bottles. And when you have several bottles, they each have a tendency to last a little longer. So, yeah, this is most enjoyable. I'll tell you what, to your good health, Slancha.
Food Quig.
Food Quig.
Food Quig.
Food Quig.
Food Quig.
Yeah.